on the road now for a while. You know, it's been a while since we've been home, but we finally came back home, and now we're chilling in the backwoods. Whoa, whoa. 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 D-Thrasher on the mic, gonna tell you a little something about a place I like. Yeah, we grew up in the backwoods, but we've been on the road doing shows, so it's been a little hard missing home. Been gone so long that I feel alone. I can't help how I feel when I miss the place. I used to get a buzz off just in case, but everything has changed. The Georgia boys have made a name, but I can't complain cause I love the fans. I love signing shirts, I love shaking hands, and to hear how a song that I wrote helped them in life when nothing was going right. Now it's time for me to go home, light the bonfire and play this song.
And it's all good. Down by the creek where the water flows cold. Same old stuff and it never gets old. Chillin' by the fire while the stories get told. And if we get bored then we hit a dirt road. I know where to go just to find my soul. Need to dig real deep in a big mud hole. Maybe take my son out with a fishing pole. When you in the backwoods that's how you roll. So I'ma take it slow and be a simple man, cause at the end of the day that's all I am. Spending time with my fam on all my land. I pop the top and I play this jam.